Imagine this. You've just washed your car, and it's gleaming under the sun, looking as good as the day you drove it off the lot. But instead of worrying about scratches, swirl marks, or water spots, you know your car is protected by an invisible, impenetrable shield. This isn't just any protection, this is ceramic coating, a revolutionary technology that redefines how we care for our cars. If car care had a personality, ceramic coating would be the meticulous, detail-oriented guardian, the one that ensures your car stays pristine, no matter what life throws at it. It's not just a product, it's a statement that says you don't just own a car, you cherish it. Ceramic coating isn't just a trend, it's a game changer. Since its introduction, it has become the gold standard for car protection, offering unparalleled durability, shine, and resistance to environmental damage. It's the choice of car enthusiasts, collectors, and anyone who wants to keep their vehicle looking its best for years to come. But what makes ceramic coating so special? Let's take a closer look, because this isn't just a product, it's a celebration of innovation, craftsmanship, and care. First, let's bust some myths, because there are plenty of misconceptions about ceramic coating. Myth number 1. Ceramic coating is just a fancy wax. Wrong. While wax provides temporary protection, ceramic coating forms a permanent bond with your car's paint, creating a layer of protection that can last for years. Myth number 2. Ceramic coating makes your car scratch-proof. Think again. While it offers excellent resistance to scratches and swirl marks, it's not a force field, it's a shield that reduces the risk of damage. And myth number 3. Ceramic coating is only for luxury cars. Not true. Whether you drive a compact sedan, a rugged SUV, or a high-end sports car, ceramic coating can benefit any vehicle. It's not just a product, it's a smart, versatile choice for modern drivers. Now, let's talk about some amazing facts that will make you fall in love with ceramic coating even more. Did you know that ceramic coating is made from nanoparticles of silicon dioxide, CO2, which form a hard, glass-like layer on your car's surface? This layer is not only incredibly durable but also hydrophobic, meaning it repels water, dirt, and grime, making your car easier to clean. And here's another jaw-dropping fact. A high-quality ceramic coating can last up to 5 years or more, depending on the product and maintenance. It's not just a coating, it's a long-term investment in your car's appearance and value. But ceramic coating isn't just about protection, it's also about enhancing your car's appearance. The coating adds an incredible depth and gloss to your car's paint, making it look like it's been freshly detailed every day. It also protects against UV rays, preventing your paint from fading or oxidizing over time. And with its self-cleaning properties, ceramic coating reduces the need for frequent washing, saving you time and effort. It's not just a product, it's a way to keep your car looking its best with minimal effort. Think about the last time you saw a car that made you stop and stare. Ceramic coating is here to bring that feeling to life. With its ability to enhance your car's shine and protect it from the elements, it's a product that ensures your car always turns heads. Whether you're driving through the city, heading out on a road trip, or showing off at a car meet, ceramic coating keeps your car looking flawless. It's not just a product, it's a statement of pride. Now, let's talk about the application process, because ceramic coating isn't just about the product, it's about the craftsmanship. Applying ceramic coating requires meticulous preparation, including paint correction to remove any imperfections, followed by a thorough cleaning to ensure the surface is free of contaminants. The coating is then applied in multiple layers, each one cured to perfection, creating a seamless, durable shield. It's not just a process, it's an art form. But what really sets ceramic coating apart is its versatility. This is a product that can be applied to paint, wheels, glass, and even interior surfaces, offering comprehensive protection for your entire vehicle. It's not just a coating, it's a complete solution for car care. So, what does ceramic coating mean for you? It's a reminder that you don't have to compromise. You can have protection and beauty, durability and shine, convenience and peace of mind. It's a call to embrace a lifestyle that's as bold and ambitious as you are. It's a product that doesn't just protect your car, it enhances it. Whether you're driving through the city, exploring off-road trails, or turning heads at a car show, ceramic coating ensures your car always looks its best. But before you hit the road, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll join a community of car enthusiasts who appreciate the art of engineering, the thrill of innovation, and the beauty of thoughtful design. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the world's most iconic vehicles, and be the first to know about the latest advancements in automotive technology. The road ahead is full of possibilities, don't miss out. Ceramic coating isn't just a product, it's a dream. A dream that says you can have it all: protection, beauty, and peace of mind. It's a product that doesn't just protect your car, it elevates it. So, are you ready to experience the ultimate in car care? Because ceramic coating isn't just a product, it's a lifestyle. Subscribe now, and let's explore the road ahead, together.